Hey there, cats and kittens. This is my Doctor Who sonic screwdriver dog tag unboxing. This is side 1 of the box. This is side 2 of the box. This is side 3 of the box. Three sides of a box. Hold on to your hats. Yes, this is the 4th side of the box. This is the bottom of the box with, spoilers, the barcode. Now to the actual unboxing itself. And let's see what's inside. Ooh, dog tag. Blurry as it's been, I hope you can tell that this is the iconic sonic screwdriver. I thought it would be fun to show you both the top and the interior of the box. Once everything's been emptied out, this is the interior. This is the dog tag, and I think it looks pretty darn cool. The back of the dog tag, a miniature Doctor Who product tag, front and back. I hope you have enjoyed my unboxing video, and you can follow me on Twitter and Tumblr at Lord Coyote 2000. Take care now. Bye.